How you guys doing? This is a short video on where I am with cutting all the stainless steel. So all the panels are done, and that's what they look like. Cutting this stainless steel and working with it is tough stuff. So it takes a while to get all the burrs off and everything, but it is really nice. It's nice and shiny. Even sounds cool. One thing I found with when cutting this stuff is it leaves the craziest burrs. So like here's a typical piece I cut off. Look at the size of the burr on this thing. This camera focus. Let's see. Put it down. It's like a razor blade. Well, razor blades are stainless steel, so no surprise there. Yeah, scary stuff. Yeah, so this is where I'm at with this stuff, and time to tack it all together. That's it for now.